In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads, without any audience, any followers, and without any website, and just by using organic free traffic. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. As you can see, guys, over here I made $37,950 in commission just in 90 days in the last 3 months. Okay, so I know exactly how this business works, and I will share with you my methods, my secrets, my strategies. So you just need to copy and paste so you can start making commissions like this. And just last month I made $16,972, as you can see. Okay, this is my invoice, this is my payment. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. In this video I will share with you guys step by step for beginners how you guys can do the same and start also your own affiliate marketing business with $0. Okay, let's get started. So step number one, you need to go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link. Fiverr is freelancing website that provides services. It's marketplace website provide services that from good and talented sellers. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to join this website. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down like this. Go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Some commissions can be up to $150. The best part with this business, that each time this person who buy a service using your affiliate link, each time this person will buy another service, new service, you will keep making commissions, and you will keep making commissions for every transaction this person will make on Fiverr for the next 12 months, which makes this business really a profitable one for beginners. Anyway, you can click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, as you can see. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting using free traffic that I'm gonna share with you step by step how you can do it. So next step, let's go to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage. So what we will do to get free traffic is we will use TikTok. You guys don't know the potential of TikTok. TikTok is very powerful tool, very powerful, very powerful platform that has a lot of traffic. TikTok has like 2 billion monthly visitors, and you guys can get so much traffic from TikTok if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you. Okay, anyway, so let's go back to Fiverr. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, click over here on the search, and search for TikTok ads. Search for this service, search for TikTok ads. Why I choose this one? So since I want to promote my services on TikTok, I will choose services related to TikTok. Services related to TikTok. Services who can help people grow their TikTok accounts, grow their businesses on TikTok. Okay, so scroll down, and I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, pro sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. because those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers are good ones, that you are choosing good sellers, those people will buy those services from you. Okay, so I will choose, for example, this one. You guys can see this one is pro seller, which is really good. I will click on his service. So pro sellers know exactly how to do TikTok ads step by step. Okay, here you go. You guys can see this seller has over 106 reviews, which is really good. He has 2 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers, which is really good. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, guys, you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. So before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video which is really good. Let's check his video.
There's no question about it. TikTok is the future of social media and business growth. Gaining a solid TikTok presence can be crucial for your online profit.
You guys can see this video is explaining the powerful and the potential of TikTok ads. Using TikTok ads to run TikTok ads for your business is gonna be really, it's something that people will be really interested to try. Okay, it's very important. If you want
I'm a social media expert.
Like if you want to make more sales, if you are doing like e-commerce, or you are promoting your business, you should use TikTok ads if you want to get clients.
Years of experience, 5-star ratings, and more than 2,000 satisfied customers.
You guys can see that's a really amazing video. What you will do next, double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it ads TikTok video. Okay, click on save, and what you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for this website, search for Canva. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and click on TikTok video, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video that you download from Fiverr. Open, and here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be over here, as you can see.
There's no question.
I will put this, make the video like this. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna make it over here. Click over here and click on the background, and click on background color and choose black color. Okay, click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Just click on any text style that you like to use. Just make sure it's clear and it's looking good. I will decrease the font size of this text, put this text here, double click, and write this sentence: check link in my bio, because I will put my affiliate link in my bio. Okay, and here you go. Duplicate, and I will put this one here, and that's it. It's a good video to start using it on TikTok to promote your affiliate link.
TikTok is the future of social media.
You guys can see, click on share, click on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open TikTok business account. Don't use your personal account. Use new TikTok business account that you will use only to promote your services. Okay, upload this TikTok account video on your TikTok account and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. So for you guys, if you just created a Fiverr affiliates account, new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr Stay Pay Old Plan, because for me I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go to your TikTok account and put your affiliate link in your bio, okay? And that's it. That's how we can promote, and that's how we can start affiliate marketing as a beginner using free traffic without any audience. Guys, you don't need any audience. TikTok videos can go viral. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. It's not important. It's the important part is your content. It's your videos, okay? And that's it. And you are promoting videos that will help people to grow their businesses on TikTok, okay? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And for people who asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. See you in my next videos.